Welcome to Food from My Kitchen, Soup Sunday edition. In today's episode of Keto Cooking, we will learn how to make this easy, homemade tomato soup recipe. To get the lowdown on how we do it, keep watching this video for step-by-step instructions. Here are the main ingredients you'll need. 800 grams of chopped tinned tomatoes, 2 small onions, 1 vegetable stock cube, fresh basil, To begin, let's prepare some onion to go in our soup. Top and tail the ends. Peel the skin. And then slice. No need to be neat, as it will all be blended. Next, put a pot on a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and allow to come up to temperature. Once hot, add the chopped onion and sweat it in the pot for a few minutes to allow the onions to soften and the natural sweetness to be released. Then add a vegetable stock cube and mix thoroughly to break it down. Now add the chopped tinned tomatoes to the pot. Mix to combine. Now pour into your pot approximately 400 milliliters of water, then turn the heat up slightly and allow the mixture to bubble while stirring frequently. The tomato mixture only needs to stay on the heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the heat off completely and then add the fresh basil. We don't want to cook the basil, otherwise it may turn your soup bitter. Adding the basil at the end of the cooking process will give you the flavour and aroma without destroying the beautiful tomato flavour. Once the tomato mixture has finished cooking, leave to completely cool for a few hours before blending. This step is absolutely crucial as it is dangerous to put hot liquids into a blender that is not designed for them. So once again, please don't blend until it has completely cooled. If it is cool enough to dip your fingers in without burning them, you can proceed to the next step. Now that the tomato mixture has cooled, empty the mixture into another container as we will need the pot again shortly. And in batches, pour the mixture into a food processor and blend until smooth. Then pour back into the pot. Then keep blending batches until you have blended all of the mixture. Now put your pot of soup on the stove on a medium heat and let it warm through. Add salt and black pepper according to individual taste and stir through. Do not boil. The soup only needs to stay on the heat for approximately 5 minutes until it has warmed through. Then you are ready to serve. Easy peasy tomato squeezy. We've made an easy homemade tomato soup recipe. I hope you've enjoyed watching and thank you so much for your presence. Be sure to check out another episode of Keto Cooking, and if you want to be notified of the next video upload, like, subscribe and hit that bell button. Also, here on this channel, Food from My Kitchen, this is a community, so feel free to comment below if you have made this recipe. And do tell if you've done any of it differently. I'd love to hear your suggestions, so keep them coming.